Hey guys, guess who's back? Guess
Hello,
who's back?
it's black and yellow again. It's John over here.
Bao over here. So today we're gonna do a dance tutorial on the no hands super viral dance by
Rivernovin.
Rivernovin.
Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel.
We do easy dance tutorial of popular dance moves and viral dances.
And we post a video every week. Now back to the tutorial.
Alright guys, preview of the first mini section. Let's go.
Let's go. So it goes 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2.
Okay, let's break it down. Take it away, Giannini.
Yes, so the first section, you're gonna start going forward with your right leg, boom, collect with your left, boom. And this goes on 7, 8, and. Hands are going to be like this, present and open. So at the same time, it goes 8, and. All right? After this, you're gonna jump out, boom. At the same time, you hit the drum with your right hand down. And then you're just gonna switch. And every time you switch, you come in with your knees and out. So every time you hit the accent, go out with your knees. All right? And we'll do that 6 times. So it's gonna be like this, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Should we take it a little bit slower maybe?
Slower from the top. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did I go fast?
That's okay, yeah.
And then from here, you're gonna punch with your right, left, and right. So it's like down, middle, up. Yes, boom, boom, boom. Then you're gonna grab, lifting your right leg and pushing back, and your head is going around from right to left, and the body is following. Yes, and it's like 7, 8, and 1. All right, and that's the first section. So one more time, slow from the top.
Let's practice now with the counts slowly from the top.
Yes, sir. So let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3,
Boom!
Yes.
Good
Cool.
job! Let's actually try now to sing the music so you can also follow along to the music.
So 5, 6, 7,
na
8.
na 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 na. Na 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 na. Ah.
Second part, but we're gonna take it from here. So we did 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3. So we're gonna grab your hands here, right shoulder, hit on 4, and this is on 4. Yes, to go down on 5, and then you're gonna switch here. Do, do, doom. Yes, so you go 4, 5, and 6. Okay, just going out, in, out. And the hands, boom, boom, boom. All right?
Yeah, I think this one is a bit tricky because when you do the first one with the hands, you don't actually pivot out with their leg.
Yeah, so the first one, after this, you're just going down. And then you go do, do, do. All right? So we did the 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yes, then you're gonna go 7 and 8. So hands are here, you just push out, bring them slowly down. Same time moving forward, you go left, right, left. Okay, so it's gonna be like boom, boom, boom. Yes, one more time. So 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 6, 7 and 8.
Let's just do the last jump. I don't think we explained the last jump.
Yes.
So right after
Here,
step, step, step.
you're just gonna slide towards your right, hands up, and bring them down a little clear. So just right, left. Okay, very simple. Hands up, hands down, and it goes boom, boom.
Let's do from this
Yes.
slowly with the counts, and then we do music after.
So 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8.
All right, now let's do with music. So I'm gonna try and hum the song. So I'm gonna count us in, and then I'm gonna say na 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 na. 5, 6, 7, 8. Na 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 na. Da da da. Da 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 da. Now let's practice section 1 and 2 together.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do with the counts and then the music after. Let's go.
Count first. So from the top, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 1.
All right, now let's do it with music.
Yes.
5, 6, 7, na 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 na. Boom, 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 boom. Na 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 na. Yay! Let's go. Okay, so let's do section 3 now. The preview. What we're gonna learn in
the
section
preview.
3. Yeah. So
So
this was 2, right?
Yeah. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and yeah.
Yay! All right, now let's break it down.
Yes. Is this the last part actually? Basically,
Yeah,
yes.
last part.
So you do the slide 1. So you jump on your right, throwing at the same time, boom, and that's your 2. So you lift your left leg like this, 2, yes. So again, boom, 1, 2, and then you bring back your left, boom, going out with your right, prep to go throwing in and jump, connect, yes. So one more time slowly. So from here, 7 and 8, go, boom, step, prep, go down, jump on your right, and then bring it back, crossing back with your left behind your right. So from here, just zoom. Okay.
I think we need to do that bit again. I think that's a bit complex.
Yeah, it is indeed. Let's go. So slide, boom, 1. You're gonna throw and jump, boom. And from here, you're gonna step left, right, throwing down, going slowly with your right hands here, zoom, up, 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 to jump and up here, and then cross behind, click. Yes, yes. So you go.
Move on.
7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5. Yes.
Now to the tricky part. Let's go.
Oh, yes. Let's do the hands first. You're gonna go back with your right, back with your left, front with your right. Okay? So again, it goes doom, doom, doom. From here, you're gonna bring your right to grab here, go over, switch it up, and click. Yes. So hands again. 7, 8, click, 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 grab, around, switch it out, and you end up like this. Yes. At the same time, your leg is gonna go round the jambe and throw. Same time as you're doing your hands. So we work here. It's gonna be two, room. Yes, and this is very fast, like super fast.
Oh, we're gonna practice it slow.
Yes.
Something also worth noticing is all of your weight is on your front leg, on the right leg here, but when you start doing this, you need to lean on your back leg in order to move the front leg. Yeah?
Yes. Good observation. Weight change. So from here, you're gonna change your weight. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. And it's really fast. It's like something like that. Again, 7 and slow. Boom, 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 boom. Yes. And from here, you're just gonna boom and so your hands basically are going like a little flower, lotus flower, I call it the lotus. Boom, this way, and you end up like this with your right on top.
I think if you want to make it easier on yourself, just bring it up like this. That's the easy
It's super
version.
fast. So from here you can just
boom.
Yes.
Up to you.
So yes, and then you go into open, collect, up, and drop. Yes. So basically we were here doing the lotus, boom and land. Open left, bring back left, up with your hands. And for the drop, you're gonna jump on your right, and and yeah, that's the finish. So one more time with the count from here. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1. Got it.
I think if you're still struggling with the last part, I'm just going to show you from the side how it looks. So when you're here, you want to do jump and jump and jump and jump.
Yes, sir. Let's go. It's music time.
All right. So the music goes na 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 na. Okay. So it goes na 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 na. Na 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 na, watch you move, da da da, da 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 da.
Exactly. Woo! So we got it. We do it from the
tip to top.
Count and then music. Okay. So the whole thing from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 5.
Yay! Let's go. All right.
Okay.
Good job so far. Let's do it with the music. So from the tip to top, we're gonna go 5, 6, 7, and da da. Na 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 ah boom 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 na 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 watch you na do 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 na 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 ah
Yes.
Good job, guys. Just do it a bit faster.
So let's go.
5, 6, 7, 8, and na 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 na. Boom, 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 boom. Na 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 na. Watch ya na 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 na.
Good luck, guys. Yeah. It's a little bit struggling with the tempo, but you can do this.
Just keep practicing, guys. Thanks a lot for watching this tutorial. Let us know in the comments if you have any feedback at all. Thank you. Peace. Thanks for watching our video till the end.
I hope you like it. Don't hesitate to leave a comment.
And please like and subscribe.
Bye.